Okay, good morning. I'm back on the next side of the garden, or some people would say a farm. So this is the side that I have my raised bed, and everything is looking good so far. So these are the onions. They are looking good. I have to go and I have to take some dirt from the others because the rain had put back some of the dirt on, so I need to move it. My carrots are coming up real good. They are looking nicely. Oh, the beets. I will have to try one today. So I think they're coming up. So, wow, it looks like it's ready to reap. So I'll try that. It seems like something came in this garden. Look here. These squirrels, I'm telling you. I need to find some way to get rid of them. Sorry. Oh, this is my watermelon. It is struggling. I'm telling you, this one, it's struggling. See, again, they continue to, these things here, I'm telling you, it's not nice. So, when they come, I don't know what they're looking for. They don't have anything here. They do not have anything here. They did not plant one thing, but they are, seems like they have something hidden here. Oh, look here, guys. This is my bitter melon. Can you see it? That's a bitter melon. And it seems like that's the only one right now that I see. There was another one around here, but maybe it's gone. But at least, oh, there it is right here. Good. So I have bitter melon. And here you go. This is, I can hardly see the rain may cause these cabbages. Oh, I thought they were coming up, but just see a few. Okay, this is what happening after the rain. Oh, this bell pepper here. It's about to, I'm gonna repeat it later. And these are some cucumbers. Everything is getting, some are glad for the rain, some are not. But I know I am. So everything is looking good so far on this side. And luckily this is, I didn't have to come here to channel any water from my plants. So that's the good thing about it. And here my passion fruit, it's growing, getting bigger. And it seems like it's holding up. So I'm happy for that. Let me put this thing here so it doesn't go on that tree, because I don't want it on that tree. That's not my tree. Yes. So I'm happy. I'm happy. It could have been worse. Oh, look at this. I showed it the last time. Look at this. Man, oh wow. How far is it going to grow? I want to see. Woo. Oh, this is another cucumber. I think I'm gonna let that ripe on the vine so I can get the seeds for next crop. This is looking good. Oh wow, look here, guys. Look at this size. These tomatoes are huge. They are humongous. This is awesome. That's the beauty. Oh my. Garlic. They're looking good so far. Everything here is looking good. And I'm happy, thank the Lord, for this rain. Look at the mint. And look at the outside of this. This is awesome. I cannot complain. And I have things going here. And I have some grapes coming up. I have some little grapes here. See? And they are doing their thing. So this is what is happening here after this series of rain for days from Monday until last night. So I'm happy that we survived. We didn't get any flash flooding, but I got some little water over the other side, and I'm happy. So goodbye for now. Go plant something, get you a seed, a plant, anything, just but put something in the dirt. Put something in that earth, and you will surprise to see how fast it will come. Bye-bye for now. Have a blessed day.